Imagine a quiet hiss of light that gently embraces you, no matter where you stand. That soundless presence is the cosmic microwave background, a faint reminder of a time when the universe was wrapped in a glowing fog. Our story begins nearly 380,000 years after the Big Bang, when the universe had cooled enough for protons to capture electrons and form the first stable atoms. Before that point, the early cosmos was a scorching sea of charged particles that scattered photons in all directions, preventing any lasting beam of light from traveling far. Then, like a great cosmic curtain lifting, the temperature dipped, electrons joined with protons, and for the first time, photons, like a tiny traveler born in those fiery conditions, were free to wander the expanding universe. Today, that tiny traveler endures as part of the cosmic microwave background, an all-pervasive glow that extends in every direction. Here are 7 gentle facts about this ancient light that quietly illuminates our understanding of the cosmos. First, it is the oldest light we can observe, carrying information from when the universe was still very young. By examining this faint relic, scientists can peer back across billions of years to see how matter and energy were distributed, offering a snapshot of the cosmos at a pivotal stage of development. Second, though its presence is everywhere, it registers as a very faint signal, now cooled to about 2.7 Kelvin, just above absolute zero, which places its peak radiation in the microwave frequency range. It was once bright and hot, flooding space with brilliant energy, but over eons of cosmic expansion, it stretched into these cooler wavelengths, becoming an ultra-gentle glow that requires specialized detectors to observe. Third, the cosmic microwave background is extremely uniform, meaning if you look in any direction, you will see almost the same temperature and intensity. Small variations of just 1 part in 100,000 do exist, and these nuances are vitally important to our understanding, since they serve as the seeds of future cosmic structure. Fourth, by analyzing those tiny temperature differences, scientists can infer the proportions of ordinary matter, dark matter, and dark energy in the universe. This helps refine cosmological models and strengthen the notion that most of the universe is composed of invisible ingredients that influence gravity and expansion without ever shining themselves. Fifth, we can trace patterns in those subtle fluctuations that tell us about the expansion rate of space at different epochs. The sound waves that once rippled through the primordial plasma left behind a signature in the cosmic microwave background, letting us compare theories of inflation and measure parameters like the Hubble constant. Sixth, spacecraft missions such as the Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe, or WMAP, and later the Planck Observatory, traveled far from Earth to map this faint glow with unprecedented clarity. Their measurements produced exquisite all-sky images that revealed hot and cold spots, giving us the most detailed window into the early universe and confirming the age of the cosmos at around 13.8 billion years. Seventh, the cosmic microwave background holds vital clues about our universe's fate, because by understanding its precise geometry and composition, scientists can project how expansion might continue into the distant future. The discovery that the expansion is accelerating thanks to dark energy adds another layer to our cosmic story, suggesting that galaxies may drift ever farther apart and that the faint hiss of ancient light will stretch to even longer wavelengths over unimaginable timescales. From the viewpoint of that tiny photon born so long ago, the journey has been one of enduring persistence, crossing vast distances as space itself swelled. It felt the gentle tug of gravity behind the scenes and watched as galaxies formed, stars ignited, and life eventually emerged on countless worlds that dot the cosmic ocean. Even now, that faint traveler keeps going, weaving through the fabric of space, leaving behind a whisper of information for astronomers and dreamers to decode. WMAP was among the first to offer a precise map of this faint glow, measuring those delicate temperature variations and allowing scientists to refine theories of cosmic creation with startling clarity. Then Planck took that precision further, capturing even finer details of the radiation's frequency and polarization, and weaving an even richer tapestry of the infant cosmos. From those maps we learned that dark matter composed a large fraction of the total, and that dark energy fueled an accelerated expansion, shaping our understanding of galaxy clusters, cosmic filaments, and the very timeline of star formation. Cosmologists used this treasure trove of data to refine inflationary models, propose new ideas about the geometry of space, and explore how the cosmos might continue far beyond our current epoch. These findings also shed light on whether the universe might eventually collapse or continue expanding forever, although the latest evidence suggests an ever-widening sprawl. All this means that the gentle glow we perceive is more than a curiosity. It is a cosmic Rosetta Stone that helps us piece together the grand puzzle of our origins, evolution, and destiny. Perhaps if you become very still, you can sense that hush of primordial light as it bathes our planet, a subtle testament to events that transpired before stars even existed. Our entire history is contained in that luminous whisper, reminding us that everything we see today started with a burst of heat and light, and that we are in many ways children of those early photons. Feel comforted by the knowledge that this quiet hum is a companion that has never left, bridging the infancy of time with the boundlessness of the present. Thank you for joining us on this serene journey through the universe's first light. We hope our exploration of these 7 gentle facts has brought you closer to understanding how vast and wondrous our cosmic heritage truly is. May this softly glowing tale lull your thoughts and inspire your dreams, as you imagine the countless stories scattered across the galaxies like hidden treasures waiting to be found. As you drift into restful sleep, remember that the cosmic microwave background is still there, carrying the echoes of creation, whispering of the moment when atoms formed and light flew free. Let its gentle presence be a calming reminder of the shared cosmic tapestry that binds all of existence. We will return soon with more quiet adventures through the stars and beyond. Until then, rest easy under this blanket of ancient photons, and let curiosity guide you to the farthest edges of what we can know. See you next time.